Okay, today I'm going to make coffee. I promised myself this year that I will be making this a hobby since I am venturing around Vietnam and checking out the different coffee places, and this is the best country for coffee. They have the best beans and coffee shops are everywhere. I mean, compared to the Philippines, we have Starbucks, but here local shops are really mainstream. They support local. They love manufacturing their own beans. They cater to different businesses that sell coffee and brew coffee. So I am going to make my own coffee for today. I am not a professional like Kaufman and how he does things. This is just my first month of making coffee, and let's see how it goes. So I got beans already. In my past video, I bought coffee equipment. This is my creatine. I like using this. And I bought also a set of beans. So for me, I like the medium roast. This is medium roast. Almost control. Maybe let's try this one. Peru, I think I'll get more of this. This really tastes good. So I'm gonna do pour over for now. Just pour over. I have other beans like this one and roastery. And all those, also, I know you're gonna hate me, guys. I have instant coffee, but when I'm rushing, like in the morning, I just want caffeine in my body. Okay, let's get the coffee. So this is where I store all my coffee equipment. So I have this, and then my V60 Japan. Also, my scoop. One for cleaning, and the most expensive, this one, my grinder. I love it. So here, so I have my kettle. This is also quite pricey, but it's worth the investment since I'm using it daily for the rest of my life until it breaks or unless I get another one. The nice thing about this, there is a stopwatch, like a timer. So I have my water ready. I already measured it. I figured out why they have these lines here. It's a guideline on how many cups you're gonna make. Usually I put a bit more because I want to have more water in my coffee. So I put also a little bit more beans. Place in the kettle. This kettle is very nice because it heats up very quickly. Then I will place a filter. I still have a lot more. This one came in free. In my last video, when I bought the kettle, this came in free. This one is my Zaypresso. I like it. It's super solid in the hand. It feels nice to stir. Here's my beans. Okay, one thing I didn't buy is a measuring scale. Sorry, measuring scale. So right now, to get my coffee beans, I just like use this for measuring. I mean, it's not accurate, but it still does the job. So what I like about my kettle here, not because of just the color, because I love color white, you can see the temperature and you can change the temperature if you want it 90 or 100 or whatever. Okay, now everything is set. I am gonna place the beans here and my water, but I have to pour in water first so it won't taste like paper. Coffee beans. So this came in for free. I understand why it has this. So you can clean the beans or the residue that's stuck on the grinder just like that. I like the Zaypresso. It comes with a carrying pouch, hard carrying pouch, and this also has a name. Not sure if it can be seen. It says Zaypresso. Okay, put this aside. Okay, here comes the exciting part. I have to turn it in small circles like this. Smells good. Ooh, love coffee. Love coffee. So, what made me drink or tried coffee is my mom. So, when we were little, she drinks coffee and I could smell it. And of course, when you're a kid, you don't like the taste of the bitter taste. Yeah, the bitter taste. But as I grew older, I finally appreciated the taste and the kick of caffeine. It makes me more human. So what do I do with this? Sometimes I still keep the beans and then I place it here in the sink. Why in the sink? Because it removes odor. So I leave it here and I just let the smell come out so it'll have a coffee smell. Here's my finished cup of coffee. See it? It tastes good. Okay, so I know I have so many mistakes in preparing the coffee, but that's just the idea on how I make coffee based on the internet. And I know there's a certain measurement for the beans, the water. I don't have the scale yet. Maybe I will get one. I will post it here in YouTube. If you make your own coffee, it tastes good because you yourself brewed the beans yourself. It's the first time I made my own coffee. I've been doing it for a while and it feels great that the process of just brewing it, the process of taking your time, enjoying the smell of the beans. So right now, I'm not very keen with like really being strict with myself and just brew the beans, put water, and then just enjoy the cup. This mug, I bought it because it has a cover so it can stay hot for a long time. But right now, I'm just enjoying the coffee. I'm not gonna take hours keeping it hot. And I also put my creatine. So every day I place my creatine. It has no taste, doesn't affect the taste at all. I just place my creatine. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. You can comment down below. Teach me some things. Okay, add it in the comment and I'll see you guys.